This video shows you how to fix the issue when your Android phone keeps restarting by itself, which can be annoying and may interrupt your daily use. In most cases, this problem is not serious and can be solved with a few simple settings changes, especially on Samsung Galaxy devices. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. On some devices, it may appear as Device Care. This section manages performance, battery usage, and automatic system optimization features. Next, tap on Auto Optimization. Inside this menu, you will find several background maintenance options that help keep your phone running smoothly. Now select Auto Restart. Many Samsung phones are designed to restart automatically at a scheduled time or when the system thinks it is necessary for performance improvement. While this can be helpful, it may also cause your phone to restart without your clear intention. To stop this, simply toggle off both options: restart when needed and restart on schedule. Once disabled, your phone will no longer reboot automatically in the background. After completing these steps, go back to your home screen and your settings will be saved instantly. Your device should now stop restarting by itself and will only reboot when you choose to do it manually. Problem solved. Your device now stays steady without automatic restarts or interruptions.